Greetings. How you doing, my brother?
Yes,
Right now, I want to know which one of these things are most important. You see what I say? The school, the diamond, or the equipment.
Diamond is expensive. The equipment is expensive. But the school is the most ancient item. As you know, the school from Africa, years.
Alright.
Many years.
School it is. And I even get this from him too.
The surveillance tape.
Yeah.
Cool. Because him say him lock up around 5 a.m. The worker who clean up the place, and straighten up the place, him went there around like 6:30. You know what I mean? And discover the place was broken into.
So maybe someone that left in there.
I want to check this tape on the computer now.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, do a bit. Greetings,
Rastafari.
Blessed my love. Blessed. Wow.
Yes. Alright. Well.
The elders them ready right now, Step
Soon as
on.
you look at this until we don't want about 10 minutes.
Protection, eh?
Rastafari.
Yeah, man, the girl there.
So what do you think?
Yeah, man, she's a suspect too. Yeah, man, right there. Right there.
Hold on, right where? Right where are you talking?
Oh, you passed a while ago, him.
Okay. Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Oh, right here. Who is she?
She's sister I live, man.
Okay. Where were the cameras?
The cameras was inside the next room.
So there was no camera in this room?
No,
this camera was in this room?
There was laptop.
Okay, so this is the other room. Let's go down a little bit further and see what's... So who is that man? Oh, that's the guitars.
Yeah, that's Tahoe.
Okay.
Bass player. On the fax, you have some information.
Maybe she was there.
She's a good one to check out too,
Okay. Alright, Tektive?
Sure.
Okay, good. Alright. Who is this one?
She named Angel.
Angel. That's the other lady we're investigating, daughter.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's the first time at the club or?
First time.
So we need to talk to Mali, and all these people that was in the club.
Yeah.
So we could get on our way.